Today's first look, we have a 1966 Shelby GT 350. Now this is lot number 1346. This 1966 Shelby GT 350 was shipped new to Jack Loftus Ford on October 7th, 1965, and has undergone a complete rotisserie restoration. And it is powered by a matching numbers 306 horsepower 289 V8 mated to the 4-speed manual transmission. This car is one of only 252 carryover examples for the 1966, which combines the performance of a 1965 model, because it was a carryover 65 turned into a 66, with the facelift of the upgrades for 1966. It is finished in Wimbledon White with the Guardsman Blue stripes on it. It has the black interior and has the factory ordered Cragar wheels with the Blue Dot Goodyears on it. The car is fully documented in the Shelby Register, comes with the SAAC serial number verification, Shelby invoice, the warranty invoice. The car has a little over 60,000 miles on it. What can I say? One of my favorite cars of all time. So there it is, the Hypo 289, 206 horsepower. Very, very nice restoration has been done to this car. Here's your Shelby tag. It has been authenticated with that Shelby D code that it has the original Ford number underneath there. Great car. Selling at no reserve at our 2026 Scottsdale auction, January 17th through the 25th, right here at Westworld of Scottsdale.